Ever wondered why platforms like Uphold, where you manage your digital assets and currencies, ask for something as personal as your social security number, SSN? It can feel a bit intrusive, right? You're just trying to buy some crypto or send money, and suddenly you're asked for a crucial piece of your identity. What's the deal? Is it really necessary? And more importantly, is your information safe? Today, we're diving deep into the reasons behind Uphold's request for your SSN, shedding light on the regulatory landscape that governs financial institutions, and explaining how these measures ultimately protect you. The primary reason Uphold, and indeed most legitimate financial platforms, ask for your SSN is to comply with Know Your Customer, KYC, and anti-money laundering, AML, regulations. These aren't arbitrary rules made up by Uphold. They are mandated by governments worldwide, especially in countries like the United States where Uphold operates. Think of it this way: financial systems are highly susceptible to illicit activities like money laundering, terrorist financing, and fraud. Without strict controls, these platforms could easily be exploited. KYC and AML laws are designed to prevent this by requiring financial institutions to verify the identity of their users and monitor their transactions for suspicious activity. KYC is a process that involves collecting and verifying personal information about a customer. This isn't just about your SSN, it also includes your name, address, date of birth, and often a government-issued ID like a driver's license or passport. The goal is to ensure that customers are who they claim to be and to assess the risk associated with them. For U.S. users, the Customer Identification Program, CIP, a key component of KYC under the USA Patriot Act, specifically requires financial institutions to collect an identification number, which for individuals is typically the SSN. AML goes hand in hand with KYC. Once identities are verified through KYC, AML procedures involve continuously monitoring transactions and activities to detect and report any suspicious patterns that might indicate money laundering or other financial crimes. Your SSN plays a role here by helping to link transactions to a verified individual, making it harder for criminals to hide their tracks. The Social Security Number, SSN, is a unique identifier issued by the U.S. government. For U.S. citizens and residents, it serves as a crucial piece of information for several reasons in the context of financial services. Identity verification: the SSN is highly reliable for confirming an individual's identity. It allows Uphold to cross-reference your information with official government databases and credit bureaus to ensure you are indeed who you say you are. This helps prevent identity theft and fraudulent account creation. Tax reporting: in the U.S., financial institutions are required to report certain financial activities to the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. This includes things like gains from cryptocurrency trading or interest earned on accounts. Your SSN is essential for accurate tax reporting, ensuring compliance with tax laws. Without it, Uphold wouldn't be able to fulfill its tax obligations, which could lead to legal repercussions for both the platform and the user. Fraud prevention: by having your SSN, Uphold can run checks against watch lists and databases to identify individuals who have been involved in financial crimes or are considered high risk. This adds a significant layer of security to the platform, protecting all users from potential harm. Regulatory compliance: simply put, it's the law. U.S. regulations specifically require financial institutions to obtain an SSN or other taxpayer identification number for identity verification purposes. Failure to comply can result in severe penalties, including hefty fines and even loss of operating licenses. It's completely understandable to be concerned about providing such sensitive information. Uphold, as a regulated financial services company, is obligated to employ robust security measures to protect your data. They utilize advanced encryption protocols, multi-factor authentication, and other security features to safeguard your personal information, including your SSN. They also work with third-party identity verification services that specialize in secure data handling. While no system is entirely impervious to attack, these platforms invest heavily in cybersecurity to meet stringent industry standards and regulatory requirements. In essence, Uphold asks for your SSN not to be nosy, but because it's a fundamental requirement for operating legally and securely in the financial industry. It's a critical step in building a safe and compliant environment for everyone using their platform. By providing your SSN, you are enabling Uphold to comply with vital laws that combat financial crime and maintain the integrity of the financial system. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.